Okay, so let's take a look at SORTN function in Google Sheets. So let's have some sample data. Let's say 2 here in this cell, then 4, 5, then 3. Right? You can add 3 again, or even add one of the number here. Now the sorting that I want to do is I want to sort this number in such way that it will appear in 2, 3, 4, 5 order and will be presented to me in this particular cell, right? So let's use equals to sign, then sort in, then need to do say 5, that's my range, and I want to get, let's say, 3 numbers, right? So if I execute this, it will try and add 2, 3, 4 in that order. So if I change this formula to 4, it will add all the numbers within that order. So we sorted such numbers in order, right? Now let's see if I continue to add more numbers like 7, 6, totally out of order, right? So let's see if I again use SORTN and then A22, A8, right? Bigger range this time, and choose at least 5 numbers, and we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all in incremental order, right? Now we can also sort if there are any ties with same number. Let's say we use 6 twice, right? So there are going to be tie when the numbers are repeated, right? So if we use 6 2 times, and if I write the new formula SORTN A2 to A10, right? And all the way we want at least 2 numbers with ties included, or if we go with say 6 with ties included, right? So if I hit enter, you will notice that we have 6 3 times, so that is also included here. So 1 2 3 4 and 5, so the tie number which is 3 times repeated is also included, right? So that's one of the thing. Also, if you want to sort for the unique, you can change the formula a bit, right? So let's choose this particular cell, use SORTN, right? And then we see from A2 to A10, and then we use say 5 numbers and we use unique of them, and you'll notice that 2 3 4 5 6, and we are choosing only the unique numbers. So we learn how to use SORTN function in Google Sheets.